not trying to claim professor, doctor. Look at all of you. Look at everybody claiming educated in Nigeria where there is no good road. Do you know what they call rented people? Educated people stay in a country where there is a lot of digital development. Everybody in this country is illiterate. Go to an intelligent country like Dubai. You will see modern things. Any educated people or educated country, go there. You will see development every day. Because educated person means you have something what others do not have. And you must bring it in a practical. Educated people in a white man country are the one that manufacture car. Bringing modern cars. They want to kill fuel. Now they are bringing electric car. Everybody borrowed a professor and doctorate, and also all these borrowed certificates, and coming out and saying, we are so Rene Koli. We are doctor. As far as this country is not moving forward, all of us are illiterate. The day which identify educated people is when we started to bring things new. 24 hours light, a good load, and also what? Security. Because educated people, we bring the mindset of what? How to make security in their country. Educated people must bring easiest way to bring 24 hours light, because their brain is working. Educated people must bring how to bring good loads. What they call educated, you know what others do not know, and you bring it in existence, and people will celebrate you and say, what a wonderful man. Go and know why they say Solomon is a wise man. He developed the country. He changed the country. All the whole king, all the whole president coming to Israel to visit him. Even when Sheba. I'm educated. I'm a professor. I'm a doctor. I'm an engineer. I'm a this and that. I'm a kalaga. Kala. Kala gala gang. All those things, we did not see any one of it in Nigeria manifest.